Before I start this video, I would like to thank my friend Ruben for editing the Gordon Ramsay Wikipedia page to make me his spouse. Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I decided that I'm going to be going through my wardrobe and upcycling everything that I no longer wear. Either they're too small or too big, or I just don't like them. They're not really my vibe at the moment anymore. Some stuff just could do with an upgrade. And some stuff is my sister's that I went and stole from her wardrobe. Sorry about that. Me and my friend were on FaceTime last night and we were like, oh, I've got all these t-shirts, but they're really long. And like, I don't really wear long t-shirts. I feel like I kind of prefer crop tops. So we were just there cutting up all of our old long t-shirts to make them nice and short. And that's what I'm going to be doing in this video. I'm going to be cutting up some of my stuff and also writing on some of my stuff and making myself a whole new wardrobe. I've gathered together lots of old clothes that I don't wear anymore. I'm going to be making them better. We're all very well aware that we're just going to be watching me ruin my clothes for the next 10 minutes, so prepare yourself for that. So the first item of clothing I'm going to be ruining is this t-shirt here. I bought this from Primark when I was like 12 or 13, so like 4 or 5 years ago. And I think it still fits technically because I don't grow, but it's rather old. I've changed a lot since I was 12, so I think I'm just going to be cutting it up. The nice thing about this top is it already has the lines, so it should be easy enough to cut without doing the thing I always do where I make it way shorter on one side and it doesn't look good. I'm actually going to take this downstairs to do where I'm not going to make quite as much of a mess in my room. Got all these paints and my sister to help me out. So I've got my t-shirt and I'm going to crop it along there. So lucky for me, I've got this nice little crop top now, and it also came with a free boob tube. Ooh, that looks way better, that length. We have this school shirt from when I was like 13. So we're gonna cut that. So this is cropped. It's a little bit long on one side, so I might take a bit more off that side, but oh well. So the next thing I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be like painting some stencils onto this short shirt. I think what I'm going to do is have some like small ones on the front and then like a big kind of like feature one on the back. So I've got this like butterfly stencil that I'm sticking on the back. So I changed my mind about which stencil I'm using. I'm now doing this one with some like letters and flowers and stuff. And I stuck it on with masking tape, which is Christmas themed, of course. And I'm using this paint, which apparently smells weird. Let me smell. Ooh, that smells really weird. Why does it smell like onion? Here is the completed.
Oh god.
Before I take the stencil off. Another stencil. Okay, there is the completed stencil. Ooh, that's not too bad. I quite like that actually. Okay, the next top I have is this sort of like maroon vest top thing that I got when I was about 10 years old. It fits technically. I've just kind of been using it as a pajama top, but my friend recommended me this like hack you can use to make it much better, and that's what I'm going to be doing. Cut this. I'm going to take this bit of the bottom of the crop top, cut out a little string, and you sort of have to tie it around there in a little bow, which makes a really cute little crop top, which is a little bit skimpy to be wearing here without the vest top. But it'd be cute for like a party or something. No, buddy, you vibing there on the carpet? Do you want me to make you some clothes? He's a good boy. So we're here in the shirt before any additional artwork or anything is added to it. I'm writing heaven on my this other shirt, and we couldn't figure out how to spell it, but I think that's right. You know when you spell a word and it's right but it doesn't look right? That's basically what just happened. So I'm gonna write that like 6 times there. Yeah. This gives me PTSD to when we had to like sign shirts at the end of year 11. Now I've got a whole rainbow of heavens. You know when you say a word again and again, it just looks wrong, or it sounds wrong? That's the word heaven. It just looks weird now. Ooh, and it matches my Jesus earrings. The next thing I'm doing is taking this pair of jeans and I'm going to turn them into shorts. So I'm taking the pair of shorts I was just wearing. So it's about the same length I want them to be. My method is you can always cut it more, but you can never cut it less. So leave a bit of room to cut more off. Now those are going to be really awkwardly long, but I'm going to cut them short. Oh, and the legs aren't even as well. Oh well, we'll figure it out. Just thought I should show you quite how badly I've done that. Oh, they're different lengths. They're so long. Oh, we're going to fix it, it's okay.
So weird having the gap.
Because of my sister and just the legs. Okay, that's slightly more. I did a poll on my Instagram story of what song I should write on this, and my favourite one that was requested was Riptide, so I'm going to be writing the lyrics to Riptide over these shorts because I'm cool and edgy. Here are my completed Riptide jean shorts. Woo! Okay, so they're still kind of awkwardly long, but I'm just going to cuff them. Riptide jeans. I'm really happy with those. Like, I was expecting these to turn out really badly. Okay, now that all the cutting and painting is complete, let's see all the items of clothing as full outfits. Number 1, Riptide shorts. I'm actually really happy with these. I was expecting them to go really badly, but like I really like them. So thank you very much for recommending Riptide. Okay, here's outfit number 2. This top, like, it's made out of one of my sister's old school shirts, but like I'm actually really happy with how this one turned out. Here's the back. Like, especially the thing on the back. Like, I was not expecting it to look wearable at all. This is so cute as well on the front. I was genuinely expecting to just ruin all of my clothes doing this, but like I actually like this. And like if you consider that if it was a school shirt that for a school I don't even go to, I wouldn't be wearing it at all. So even if I don't wear this, I'll still be wearing it more than I would have before. The other school shirt, the Heaven one, the one I didn't crop, but like this one has no buttons because my sister cut them all off. But like I'm still pretty happy with how this one turned out. Next up we have outfit number 4. This little like maroon crop top thing I made. Again, I got the inspiration to do this one from my friend, and like it turned out better than I was expecting. I was worried I was just gonna be cutting up my pyjamas for no reason, but no, I really like this. Finally, outfit number 5, we got this little black crop top I made. I really didn't do all that much to this one. I just cut it in half, but like I like it way more now. I never wore it before, and now I feel like I might actually go around to wearing it. So yeah, thank you so much everyone for coming to my 3rd ever YouTube video. This turned out way better than I was expecting. I'm actually really happy with quite a lot of what I've made, and hopefully my sister will forgive me for cutting up not 1 but 2 of her school shirts. Sorry about that. So yeah, see you all in the next video. Bye!